Nothing says community building more than a big bowl of hot, steamy Patex butter chicken wings, right? First things first, crank the heat. We're gonna drop in a good tablespoon aggramato garlic oil. Get an onion finely diced, split it in half. So a little at a time, so I've got the wings here, straight in, hot oil. Get a little bit of color on them. Salt, a little bit of pepper. Get your pan back on. Now we're going to throw that diced onion straight in. Hot pan. Hear the sizzle. We're going to add a little more extra garlic. That goes straight in. We're going to take that ginger and just scrape the skin off. A little spoon, even a teaspoon's even easier. Pass it through a microplane. Give that a stir. Add half a jar of Patex butter chicken paste. Stir that in. A cup of water and some coconut yogurt. Split the Perfection fresh mixed tomatoes in half. That way they'll release their moisture. Whack a lid on it, walk away, call your mum, say good day to your neighbours. Oh, what? Food for royalty. A fresh coriander, a mint, and there you have it. Patex butter chicken wings. What a great way to cook to connect. Food insecurity has hit an all-time high. People choosing to pay bills over putting food on the table. It's a tough time. I'd love for you to head to the website ozharvest.org, make a donation and get involved. Share a plate with a mate. Share a plate with a mate.